Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Ulefone Note 8P. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them and download an app called Send Anywhere from this developer. Then open it, choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now we have to wait for this one to download and do the same. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now choose Send on an Android and Receive on Ulefone. Then click on all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will go with one photo, choose Send and tap Got it. From here we have two connection ways. You can input this key over here and choose Receive or Scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, tap on the scanning icon over here, click Allow, and then point your device's camera at the QR code. Now we have to wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. You can always check it out for sure by going into Files app, selecting Browse in the middle, and tapping on, in my case, Images. As you can see, Send Anywhere folder is here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!